Hi guys, my name is Parag and welcome back in the new video. In this video, I'm gonna explain you how you can calculate strap footing quantity and strap footing bar bending schedule in very easy way. So for your easy convenience, okay, I have provided one calculator which you can see here. This calculator, you just need to provide your inputs and based on that input, it will provide you all quantity, total cost for the construction, duration, and also it will provide you the detailed bar bending schedule. So this comprehensive calculator for the strap footing is very important. You know what? Whenever we do the footing quantity calculation, we need such a tools which can easily calculate for our day-to-day practices, and it will reduce our efforts, right? Hi guys, before starting this video, I would like to ask you please subscribe my YouTube channel because this YouTube channel Parag will definitely help you in upcoming days with lots of tools and techniques to brainstorm your career. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, for this tool, you just need to refer the link in the description box, or also you can just come to my website civilnotes.com, go to civil engineering and click on the estimation and quantity takeoff, so you can access my all tools, right? So strap footing, strap footing diagrammatically I can just show you this one. So this is a diagrammatical representation that we have for the strap footing. Okay, so how you can use this? Okay, so see, we have how many number of footings you want to consider. So let's consider that you want to calculate the quantity for 5 strap footing, so you can enter 5 here. Then you need to consider which kind of grade of RCC you are using. So for this calculator right now I have M20 and M25. You can use whatever is necessary. Right now I'm using M20 grade of concrete. Okay, then steel cost you have to mention here. I'm considering like this cot per kg 120 rupees in Indian currency. Okay, cement bag rate I'm considering 650. It might be different, but I'm considering this on a tentative basis. Okay, so these are the input you have to provide. Okay, now you can see we have these two strap footing over here. So we have pad 1, so this is a pad 1. Okay, pad 2, this is the pad 2. Okay, so we have this two pad and the strap being which is connecting the two pads 1 and 2, right? So you need to provide the length, width and the depth, and also you need to provide the rebar that you like, the steel bar that you're going to use for it. So for the pad 1, I'm just updating the length that the one is a 1.25 in the length. Okay, and in the width I'm putting 1 meter and depth 0.5, and rebar I'm putting 14 bar. Okay, steel bar. Similarly for pad 2 I'm dropping 1.25, 1 meter, 0.5, and the steel bar like 14 bar. For the strap beam, so the connection of this beam, you can see whatever you update here, it will automatically update here also. For the strap beam, you need to update the length of the beam. I'm updating 3 meter, width is 0.3, and depth is 0.3, and rebar I'm using 16 bar. Okay, so you need to provide the data. Once you update data, you can see, so total dry RCC volume, like it means the quantity estimate in such a way that the total dry RCC volume required to complete this work is 12.289 meter cube. So this much RCC volume you required. Now how much reinforcement? So based upon the steel bar you have provided here, 14 number of 14 diameter of bar for the pad 1, similar for pad 2, and 16 dia bar for strap beam, okay, with links. So you required 590 kilogram of steel. So see how easy it is, right? So whenever you do such a calculations, you need to understand how much quantity of material is required and how much cost that particular person will needs to incur to construct this work.